Hello, what's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a scrolling text on page scroll into your Wix website without using any single line of code. As you can see, when I scroll through this page, the text also scrolls with it, and when you scroll back up it goes in the opposite direction. I'm going to show you how you can add something similar to this, or a better design, the way you want it to look, with the kind of effect that you want, even GIFs and any kind of graphics that you want to have in a scrolling text. Now, as you can see, this effect has added a little bit of pizzazz to this shop page, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can add this feature into your Wix website. Similar to my other tutorial, which is adding an animated text or a continuous scrolling text into your Wix website using a free version of canva.com and also using the Wix Pro Gallery. This tutorial is also based on using a free version of canva.com, but this time we're using the Wix strip element. So if you want to know how I designed this, you can go ahead and watch the tutorial on how to add a continuous scroll or marquee text effect into your Wix website and see how the design works. Now, before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also do well to leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. And also, most importantly, don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be the first to know of future videos and amazing videos like this. Amazing. So now let's go to the editor, and this is where I want to add that effect to. And the first thing I want to do is to add a strip element. Now, knowing that we already have a new version of Wix which allows you to add section by section for different kind of elements, I'm going to go ahead and add the section. Now, don't worry, we're going to be using the Wix strip for this, but first of all, I'm going to go ahead and add a blank section to where I want that item to be. Now, as you can see, it has added a blank section for me, and I scroll to that section where I actually need to add my strip to. Now go ahead and click on that section and go to quick edit. Once you get to quick edit, you can go ahead and add elements. So when you click on add element, it's going to go ahead and open up the element section where you can go ahead and choose the element that you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose the strip, and I'm going to go to the classic strip. Next, I'm going to choose the white one and just add it to the side. Now that has added itself to the section where I want it to be. Next is to drag it to the height that I want it to be. Now that is looking all good, and next you want to reduce the height of this section as well. Now once you're all set, the next thing you need to do is to have an image for it, and the image is being designed on canva.com. Now this is the image that I designed, and it's just basically adding text and effects to it, and the canvas size that I'm using right now is the 1754 by 75 pixels. So you can go ahead and choose the kind of height and width that you want. If you have a pro version, that is very great, but then the most important thing is exporting this. Now go over to share and go to the downloads. Now you're going to go ahead and choose the GIF as a file type. Once you're done, click on the download, and once you've downloaded your item, you're going to go over to your strip. Make sure that your strip is selected and go to change strip background. Now go to the image that you want to import, and then go over to your site files. As you can see, I've already uploaded my GIF file. Now go ahead and add the GIF file that you want and change the background of your strip. Now as you can see, the GIF is being applied to your strip. Now finally, what we need to do is to go over to the background scroll effects. Once you get there, go over to the pan right or the pan left. You can choose any of the ones that you want, but I'm going to go with the pan right. So that means it's going to scroll to the right when I scroll down to the page, and it's going to scroll to the left when I scroll back up to the page. All right, now once you're done, you can see that when we preview this, is going to add the effect and the scroll effect to your page. Amazing. So now you can see that this effect has been added, and when you scroll down it pans to the right, and when you scroll back up it scrolls itself to the left. So this effect has drastically added a zing to this page, and if you want to add more, you can go ahead and add more items that you want, and you can choose other effects from your strip. Now that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope it was very useful for you, and now you know how to add a scrolling text that scrolls when you scroll on your page. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, or you can also go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section to ask me any questions that you want. Thank you very much for viewing this tutorial, and see you in the next video.